a great feast day. We remember Joseph, the foster father of Jesus. So I think we may reflect about fathers. In my studies, I reflected the effect of father's presence in a person's life. This is a time we have many single mothers raise their sons in the society. Obviously, mothers cannot show both the roles of a father and of a mother. Mother shows the role of a mother, not the father. So the question is, from where people, especially youngsters, pick up the role of a father if they are raised by single mothers? How they absorb the qualities and roles of a male? We need to learn different qualities in our developmental stages. Well, the answer is very simple. Male children pick up and learn the qualities of a father from the different male members they meet in their daily life. It could be from their foster fathers, uncles, grandparents, relatives, or friends. All of us generally learn certain qualities from those we come into contact with, those we engage with. I recall I'm learning how to speak with people from my present director of my clerical internship site. I really admire him. Once I was really inspired by his talk on the phone, how he deals with issues and how he connects with people. There was really something for me to learn from him, and I appreciated him for teaching me this quality of how to interact with people. In the Gospel, we see Joseph, the one who fostered Jesus, protected Jesus all throughout his life. Jesus really learned and picked up many qualities of Joseph. The uprightness of Joseph consisted in doing the right thing without humiliating anyone else in the process. Thus, when he heard of Mary being pregnant before they could live together, he decided to do the right thing, to divorce Mary, but secretly, so that her name would not be discredited. And when God revealed the right thing, Joseph did not think twice to change his decision and wholeheartedly collaborated with God's plan. He was a righteous man. Jesus might have learned a lot from watching Joseph as to how to respect the dignity of person even when they are sinners. Jesus showed the same mercy to the woman who caught in adultery. He said, "Those who are not sinful, throw the first stone at her." And after that, he was writing on the floor. Probably he was thinking about the righteousness of his father, who showed mercy to his mother in her difficult time. So, it is for us today a day of self-examination. It's an invitation for us to remember our fathers or all the people from where we have learned to be righteous. It's a time we remember with gratitude all the good qualities we picked up from different people we met in our life. It's also time for us to remember the people who are entrusted to our care and protection. this feast day of Feast of Saint Joseph really help us to reflect these qualities of fatherhood in our life.